Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how to turn off haptic feedback in Palmon Survival. Haptic feedback is basically those little vibrations you feel when you tap buttons, get hits, or interact in-game. If you want to turn the vibrations or haptic feedback off or on in Palmon Survival, then the first thing to do is to launch the game open on your device. Once you're inside, go ahead and click on your avatar at the top left corner from the home screen. From the Explorer info page, go to the bottom and click Settings. Inside the Settings menu, select Settings and now scroll down to Vibration. If you have the vibration turned on, you'll see this on level. If you want to turn off the vibration, simply tap on the switch and make sure that it says off. If you prefer a silent and smooth experience, make sure to keep it off, but if you want vibration effects while playing, you can turn this button on anytime you want. So that's how you easily turn on and off the haptic feedback or vibration in Palmon Survival. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.